Hello everybody, welcome to my video today. This is a surprise, right? A live on a Tuesday. Hopefully my live will be fine. I realized right when I went live that I am currently uploading a video from when I went live in a team group just a few minutes ago. So I'm like, oh, hopefully everything will continue to be live. Good morning, Roberta. So I have so much to share with you guys. Hey, Mom. We're going to look at this. I have something to share with you guys here, but I just want to share with you several things that are happening. Hey, Daisy. With Stampin' Up, I just sent an email out this morning, so hopefully you got that email. There are two really amazing promotions going on with Stampin' Up. If you spend every $50 you spend this month, you get a $5 coupon to spend next month, which is really amazing. And then, hey, Marty. And then the second promotion that's going on right now is if you purchase the starter kit, you purchase that for $99 and you get $155 in product. So that's an extra $30 in products that you get for free. You get to pick out your own product and your order will ship to you for free. So you get free shipping. So those are both amazing. I've shared with them on my Facebook page and I've shared with them in with an email, and then I'll be sharing all month. But today what I want to share with you, I'm going to upload this to YouTube right away today because I want to get this information out for you guys. This is my next online class and I can't wait to share this with you. So let's take a look at the catalog really quickly. So in your catalog, here's my catalog. I just have a clear plastic over it. In the very back of the catalog, you might miss this if you don't realize. You know, sometimes we get to the back of the catalog and we're like, oh, we're all done, right? Like, it's like a movie when it gets to the credits and you're like, oh, okay, you're done. And then you turn it off and you realize, oh, there was like some sneak peek of like the next movie and the end of the credits. So at the very end of our catalog, we have our kits. So we have this beautiful kit right here I'm going to be sharing in the upcoming weeks. It's a felt kit and it's really fun. And then you turn the page and we have several kits here. Now I was confused at first with these because I thought there were 6 different kits. There's only 3 different kits. They just stretch across the page. So the kit that we're going to be looking at today is the Looking Up card kit. And if you tap on your screen, so if you're watching on a device, let me show you. Here's my iPad. If you are watching on a device and you just tap the screen, down below, you're going to see a bunch of information right here. All of that information is about this class. These kits right here, the one that we're going to look at is $35. So it's an amazing price for everything that you get. When you get this kit, I've not opened anything, so I'm just going to go through this with you guys and share with you what you get in this kit. So if you use the host code and you purchase the supplies to do this online class, I'm going to have a little get together on Facebook that will be on July 29th at 4 p.m. That information is in the description. Yes, so we're going to have a hangout July 29th on Facebook where I'm going to walk you through putting these cards together and sharing with you some alternatives and how you can use this kit. And then you'll have access to the videos. So it's just like all of my card classes to go. They're going to be online. The videos are going to be online. You're going to have access to them. The only difference is that I'm just adding a live event. So if you want to come hang out with me live and put the cards together with me, we can do that. I like connecting with you guys that way. A lot of you guys loved the pajama party that I did for the paper share and loved the way that we were able to connect. So I want to keep doing that with you guys. So here's how it works. You just use the host code and you order the kit. The kit is right here. The kit itself is $27. And then the stamp set is included. So all you do is buy the kit, and that's the class. If you would like to purchase other items to make your order $50 so that you can get that $5 coupon, you can do that. You can get some Whisper White cardstock, you can get some adhesive, but if you get the kit, everything you need to make these cards is going to come in the kit. You're going to get a clear block. You're going to get Bermuda Bay, a Stampin' Spot. How many of you guys know how much I love my Bermuda Bay? It is my all-time favorite Stampin' Up! Color. So you get the Stampin' Spot for your Bermuda Bay. You get the stamp set, and this is birthday type theme. It's like occasion themed. We have birthday, feel better soon, thanks so much, so thankful for you, and then a congratulations stamp. So this one's really amazing, and I can see using it for lots of different things. I love the fonts in this stamp set. Like, I love the way they're put together. So this is going to be really, it's going to come in handy. So for $27, you cannot go wrong getting this kit, okay? And then you'll get some dimensionals. So you have some of that. And then all you'll really need is probably like a snail. I'll probably use snail. So you'll probably need that adhesive. I don't see any dots. Like, I don't see any adhesive dots, which I don't tend to use because I don't like them. So when you get this kit, here are some of the cards we're going to make. So you get instructions on how to do this, and then you'll get to keep this, of course, and then the videos that I do of putting these together, you'll have access to those. So we have some liners, some envelopes that have liners, which, how cute are these? I wish we had designer paper and this and these designs. Oh, look at this. I didn't even know there were more than 3 designs. I love this. These are so super cute. So you get the envelopes, and then you're going to get a bunch of card bases, and we're going to do some fun things with this. We're not just going to fold these and be done. Like, that's not what we're going to do. So you are definitely going to need some Whisper White cardstock. So make sure that you have Whisper White cardstock on hand. And then we're going to put these cards together. This is my favorite. I'm going to show you some fun ways to dress these up. So it may seem like, oh, they're just real flat and they're not, you know, they don't have a lot of character to them, but we're going to make them have character. They're beautiful as it is. I love the Bermuda Bay, but we're going to have fun with it. So then you get these die cuts. You get the copper. These are also die cuts. This might have, these are stickers. So that's awesome. So you get several of these. Beautiful. And then you get some layering pieces and lots of these you don't even need snail, but I suggest getting it. I thought that they always included these little adhesive dots in kits. Lots of these coordinate with different punches we have. This is like the shape of the tailored tag punch, and then the nestled dies. So that's all of the stuff that's included in the kit, and then it comes in this really cute box. So that's amazing just to get all of that for $27, but then we are totally going to do a lot of fun stuff with it. So what you're going to want to do is just purchase the kit. The kit is $27, and if that's all you purchase, you still get the class. So you don't have to purchase $50 worth of product, but just because the bonus days are happening this month, I encourage you to go ahead and place a $50 order and get that coupon. Make sure you have Whisper White cardstock on hand and probably a snail. It's going to be easier to put your kit together, but everything comes with it. Your block, your stamp, your adhesive. It's going to be a lot of fun. So then we are going to have a live class on January. Good grief. In July, at the end of the month, July 29th at 4 p.m. It will be on Facebook. So we'll hang out on Facebook. We'll make the cards together, and then you'll have access to the videos. I'll download the videos just like all of my other online classes where you get a link and it has the video and all of the information. That will be exactly the same. It'll just happen after the online Hangout. So if you can't hang out with us online, it's totally fine. You don't have to, but the Facebook group that I put together, you'll be able to get into right away once you purchase and you use the host code and I see that you're doing the class. I'll get you into that Facebook group and then we can chat and hang out, and then I will be live that evening and we'll hang out and make cards. Hey, Cindy. So does anybody have any questions about this particular online class that's happening? I'm hoping that you guys like this. I'm getting back into doing online classes. I took a few months off just to get the transition into the new catalog and to kind of get settled. And I want to get back into doing them because I really love doing the classes with you guys. They're a lot of fun. I like being able to connect with you guys. I love teaching, so it is a lot of fun for me to be able to sit down and share crafting with you guys. So I'm excited to jump back in and do this. And our first one, I thought it would be really easy to do this kit. And it would be maybe less intimidating to dive in for you guys to do this kit. And I love it. This is one of the things that I purchased right away. I've had it since the catalog went live and I'm excited to try it. And the only thing that would be better would be if we could all get together in person and do it. I really miss my in-person classes and being able to gather with people that way and share crafting and card making. And it's always so much fun. So the next best thing is to try to figure out how to do it online and connect with more of you guys. So that's it, you guys. I'm going to upload this to YouTube right away. So if you're catching the replay on YouTube, you can sign up. All the information will be in the YouTube description below. And then I'm also going to put together a blog post with all the information so that you can sign up that way as well. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, place your order for the kit and we will have the best time making these cards and we'll just hang out and have fun together. So thank you guys so much. I hope you're having a wonderful July, and I hope you have a wonderful 4th of July if you're here in the U.S. Have a safe and wonderful 4th of July, and I'll be around all week sharing with you guys new projects. I have several lined up for the rest of the week that will be fun to share. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will talk to you guys later.